Here's a sneaky quick tip for when you're trying to make a quiz. I'm doing a test on quotes of advice and men. I mean, I want all the questions to be the same type. There's no point in varying and trying to fiddle around. This is a basic who said these quotes. So I'm using a multiple choice format. I'm putting the quote there and then giving them 4 choices. Slim on this occasion. But then, because all my questions will be the same format, all I got to do is make sure it's right. So let's take this one, the last one, multiple choice. Yeah, it's all there. And then in my answer key, I'll make sure I've assigned it a point so it's all correct. I don't feel this sort of needs feedback, so I've not put any, because you're either right or you're wrong. And then this little button here is a duplicate button. Exactly the same question. So I can now put a new quote in here. And I can alter the answer key, because George says that, Crooks doesn't. It's still worth a point, remember, because you said that last time. Click done. Now I might want to confuse matters a little by changing the order of the answers found. I might change an answer. So I might say your answer is Shirley. And there you go. I just very quickly added another question to my quiz, and I'll do 10 of those, and I've got a quiz done. It'll take me very little time. So nice little shortcuts for simple multiple choice quizzes. And of course that will work on any other format from here as well.